My English is good, but I don't sound natural. I hear that all the time from my conversational English students. And honestly, I gotta tell you, many of them, especially professionals, have better grammar skills than I do. But when it comes to real conversation, something just feels off. And here's why. Most learners study what I call school English. You learn grammar rules, you learn sentence structure, and how to write clearly. Now, all of this is really important. But then when you try to have a real conversation, then suddenly everything feels fast and a little confusing. That's because native speakers, especially in American conversational English, don't speak the way that textbooks teach. We shorten words, we use idioms and everyday phrases, and we focus more on connection than perfect grammar. Grammar doesn't disappear, it's just more relaxed. Let me show you what I mean. A student might say, "I'm very tired." But in real conversation, we'd probably say, "I'm exhausted. I'm wiped out." Here's another example. "I do not understand." Perfectly correct. But we'd say, "I don't get it." That's the difference with conversational English. It's not just the words, it's the feeling behind them. And this matters. If your English is too formal, well, you can sound distant. If you're focused on being perfect, you hesitate. And if you translate directly, it won't sound natural. That's exactly what I help with. I work with professionals to build confidence in real, everyday conversational English, the kind people actually use. So, if your English is good, but you feel that something is missing, I gotta tell you, you're not alone, and I can help you fix this. If you want to speak more naturally, think about subscribing to my channel, or you can reach out. I offer 2 free 30-minute sessions so you can experience how I teach conversational English.